Hi, I'm Brad Fenson and I've got a fantastic pheasant recipe that's a little bit of a play on words here. We're going to make some pheasant shotshells. I actually deboned an entire pheasant. I actually keep the skin and the fat because it adds a lot of the flavor and moisture to the meat, but here is one ground pheasant. Breast, thighs, carefully deboned, legs, skin, as I said, back meat, everything in there. You get a nice little bit of meat. You can make a double batch if you have two pheasants. We're going to add some ricotta cheese to this. And we're just going to mix that up. And when it's done, you can put it in a Ziploc bag or a piping bag to fill with some cannelloni noodles. I'll put those up here and show you. And what I use is a good old jerky gun. Why not? If you're a hunter, you always want to use your gun. And this is what the mixture looks like when it's ready to go. You can see it's got ground pheasant, cheese, peppers, onion, all the spices and everything nice. You grab a cannelloni shell, put your finger on one end, and pump it full. Just like that. Fills them right up. That'll be the base for your pheasant shot shell. I'd say these are about 12 gauge. They look too big for a 16 or 20 for sure. You can see you can fill them really quick. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a full slice of bacon. I like to actually push it into the end. I like the thinner bacon because you can actually pull on it and stretch it and get that entire noodle covered with bacon. Great way to use up some pheasant. Ground pheasant will make it go further if you've only got one or two birds, because these will make a lot of shot shells. Let's get these wrapped up and go put them on the smoker. All right, time to get these on the grill. You can see I got a drip tray underneath it. Catches some of the bacon drippings just to make the smoker easier to maintain and keep clean. We're gonna turn the smoker to 225 and let them go for about an hour and 10 to an hour and 20. All right, it's been on an hour and 15. Perfect, look at that, the bacon is cooked. Those shells are nice and soft from the moisture coming out of the cheese. That's barbecue sauce. We're just gonna give them a little touch here. Then we're gonna close the lid for another 15 minutes and let that sauce really cook it. All right, look at those. The sauce is thickened up. That extra 15 minutes just finishes them off nicely. You can see the bacon cooks on tight. A lot of the cheese doesn't cook out. We do get some grease from the bacon on the bottom. Drip trays are important for cleanup. Saves you a whole bunch of work down the road. Manicotti noodles are soft. Oh man, these are a favorite. Talk about good tailgate food or an hors d'oeuvre. Pheasant shot shells.